We'll guide you through how to configure your launch JSON in VS Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. You'll want to make sure you have a project open. Look for the Run and DBE icon on the left sidebar. It's shaped like a play button. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the Run and DBE panel. Here, you'll notice a link that says Create a launch.json file if you haven't already set one up. Click on that link. VS Code will then prompt you to select the type of environment you are working with, like Node.js, Python, or any other environment. Choose the one that matches your project. This will generate a basic launch.json file with some default configurations. Now, this is where you can start customizing. Each configuration is defined with a set of key value pairs. For example, the program attribute specifies the file that VS Code should run. You can modify this to point to the main entry point of your application. If you're working with Node.js, you might set it to something like app.js or server.js. You'll also find other attributes such as args, which allows you to pass command line arguments, and env, which can be used to set environment variables. You can add as many configurations as you need, tailoring them to different scenarios like running tests or deploying. Once you've made your changes, save the file. To test your configuration, you can go back to the Run and Debug panel and select the configuration you want to run from the drop-down menu. Then, hit the green play button to launch your application with the specified settings. Remember, you can always refer to the VS Code documentation for more advanced configurations and examples if needed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.